80 animals.
Dolphin.
Hi again! Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you today? I'm very good. Are you having fun learning about animals? Me too. Today we will learn about dolphins. This is a dolphin. It can jump in the air from the water. Let's learn some words to begin the class.
Social. Social means being with other people. In the picture, the man is with the woman, so they are social. Some animals are social too. Social animals live in groups and do things together. Communicate. If you communicate with someone, you speak or write to them. In the picture, the boy speaks with the man over the phone. They communicate. Train. If someone trains you, they teach you a skill. In the picture, the woman trains the girl in the pool. When the girl gets more training, she will be able to swim.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Communicate. Train. Social.
It's time to read a story. After you read, you'll take a quiz.
Look at the pool at the zoo. A dolphin is jumping out of the water. Dolphins can jump very high. They can play with their trainers at the zoo. So people like watching dolphin shows. Dolphins are social animals. They live in a group in the sea. They travel together. They help each other to catch fish. A dolphin is so smart that it can communicate with its family. It communicates using its body or sound. Because it is smart, the dolphin may be easy to train. What does a dolphin do at the zoo? It catches fish. It performs in a show. How does the dolphin live? Alone. In a group.
What is true about dolphins? They can communicate with other dolphins. They like moving by train.
Did you like the class? Great! I did too. That's all for now. Goodbye.